Hello, in front of me I have Nothing Phone 4a, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup. Okay, but before we launch our WhatsApp, it is really important that in the settings, as we scroll down to Google, we need to make sure that we are signed in into the exact same Google account that we have selected during the backup in the past. Because if you'll be signed in into wrong account, you won't have accessibility to your backups. So you need to make sure that you're signed into proper account. Then you need to open up the WhatsApp, select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now we can click on what's my number, or you can type it manually. It will be automatically copied, and then click on next. We also need to verify our phone number. We have three methods how we can do it. We have a missed call, voice call, or the code from the SMS message. It is up to you which option you want to use. I'll stick to missed call, which is currently automatically selected. And then click on continue, click on allow. The call should be automatically answered. Yeah, okay. Verified. Now we have contacts and media. We need to click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow all. And now select restore from backup. And it is really important that you need to click on continue right now, because if you click on skip, you won't have possibility to do it later. So that's the only moment when we can restore our chats. Okay, everything is restored here. Media will restore in the background. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you're interested. Then click on next. And you can also add the recovery email. It is up to you. For now I'm about to skip it. It's also available later in the settings. And now as you take a look, we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and of course, normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.